No time. I went down. I'm supposed to clap for myself. We invite people. No clap for me. I do that. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know you're happy to be alive, put your hands together for Jesus, please. And so far, you know that everything about the AY brand is standard. You know, if you know you've been enjoying the work of DJ Cheesy, put your hands together for the DJ, please. Why we comedians, we always like talk about DJs anywhere we go. If you know what's in a bit to be good DJ, you understand. I mean, if I don't go to traditional marriage, Samaraku or Urudu, I don't Chuku, all those are your states. All those places where you see DJ for traditional marriage carry 16 speakers, only 2 they work. DJ will come carry big red towel, tell you my name is DJ Snoop Dogg a dog. That was not the problem. The main problem is that their microphone they get long cord. You go to make announcement with they sound like ghost. I go one now from Java, for Imo State. And they make announcement and they sound like ghost. We tell they hear from microphone. People. Oh. Microphone with packaging them. If you be single man here, you dey find wife, no ever check any girl for supermarket though. Shop price na the worst place to check woman. One girl just come to buy provision wey she go use go school. Only Milo and milk na she carry for mine. Because you just spread, take whatever you want, I will pay. No pay there. Go for provision, she collect Milo, Ovaltine, and Bonvita. All of them are the same thing. Come here, collect Odell burger, meat, and pig milk. When I see that girl, won't kill that guy. When she collect, she will stick and she will bow and will just fast. I said, my brother, you die well. For gospel, you will buy gala, you will check the expiring date. If you never expire, or if you don't expire, you give back the guy, collect your money back. No try and for about. One guy has to come today from Aba, the guy buy car for hold up. As he check out the expiring date on 1st October, then call the guy. Hey, come here. The guy don't expire now. And the guy said, well, the expiring date of an unusual. And the guy said, 1st October, 19th hour, we want to know. I will do this and I will go. The way our mothers when they dance those days, the way they behave and the way the girls of now they behave, don't be sensitive, you know. Girls now when they carry phone now, they won't snap it or they do it on the side. They do all these things. Our mothers then are just one position because they don't get all this kind camera there when they get makeup inside. No matter white picture, with their boss, you see our mothers like this. Two of us. So, the way they dance, they annoy me. Those days, our papa will carry our mother, go party. The woman will be shy for her husband. With course, they play any old school music with them. Any old school, just play. You and your wife, what's your wife now? She will dance, she will shy for her own husband. Bring her dance more. Bring her dance more. Now watch the dance, her husband with pride. Say why fine, he dey give people wey no know for the party. Watch. Somebody say now. Somebody say now. Boy, when you never marry. Those days she expect you go party, she give manifest. Watch, DJ, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, good night. My name is Zabo P. God bless you.